put some salt on the road because around 12 noon today we're having a snowstorm, so I just give you update later what's going on. Then for now I just show you how's the road it is. You see this white spot on the road. They're getting ready for the snowstorm for today. Okay, I'll get out for now and then I'll give you update later. Ayan, partial snow. The worst snow will start at 12 noon. Ayan. Ayan, unti-unti na siya. Unti-unti na. Okay, we'll be back later. Hello guys, good morning or good afternoon or good evening sa inyo dyan. Come closer. For today's video, I'm gonna take a vlog the snowstorm here. As you can see, it's all white. It's all white, so we need to wear like this. We need to wear like this. Ah! All white. I'd like to show this video. It's because this is the first snowstorm of the year, December 16. Here in Pennsylvania, there's some other state they have 6 to 18 inches of snow, but right here it's like 2 to 3 inches only. So let's take a look to other video around. As you can see, it's all white. I hope you guys enjoy this. Then you take a video. Tingnan yung sasakyan. It's all white na. Look. It's all white. Ay, kunan ko yung ano ha, para i-brush ko. Sige, pagkuha og video, libot. Tuyok dito ko.
By the way, there's a hill right here.
Wai ko dire oh. Ta. Limpyo ko ani. Closer. Dito ka sa front.
Not really.
I-closer din, Clow.
What's doon naman kaayo?
All covered with snow. Tanggalin natin to para tomorrow hindi siya mag-froze. bata, wala na kay pang slide, no?
I don't know where it's at.
Masunog na siguro itong bago. Ay, wait lang. Five pa? Okay pa na. Pwede mo nimo i-cut. Tapos i-front na pod para aplica.
Hi guys, welcome to my mom's channel. Right now, she is cleaning the truck. Ako lang yung vlogger dito. Ha?
English para masabtan.
Ah, English.
Mahirapan to, guys. Ang hirap maglinis, promise. Sobrang lamig, oh.
Hindi ako makakita.
Sinisipon na ako. Hindi ka magtanaw. Hanapin ko yung rake kasi kailangan kong hindi pala rake. Ang tawag nito? Pala.
Snow shovel. It's a
Yeah,
snow shovel. Last year it was like November 15, like the bad
Okay.
snow. Look at my mom running. Model sa snow. Di ako marunong mag-vlog, guys. It's like really cold. She has a shovel now.
Hello!
Hopefully we don't have school tomorrow.
Ha?
Hopefully we don't have school tomorrow.
Kailangan natin magpala, guys.
My nose is so red. I look like Rudolph. hands are freezing, even they have gloves on.
Ang hirap. Kung sa Pinas, ang ipala natin balas. Dito snow.
And it's much heavier too. It's very thick snow.
Yung ipala ko is yung madaanan lang para bukas.
I'm getting snow in my eyes.
Hindi siya slippery. Ano kanina itong isa?
Around like 7.
Ha?
Around 7.
7. Where are you? Kita ko yung ano. Snow. Ito. Panghalo-halo. Oh. Ooh.
It's very thick.
Hirap. Nahirapan ang kustumang kalisod. Ha? Ano kami? May 5-8. Ayan oh. Manipis siya. Pwede siya pang halo-halo. Pero hindi siya pwede. Sabi nila madumi daw to.
It is because it's from the ground.
Sige.
I tasted it before.
Stop mo muna tapos dun tayo sa... Okay guys, I think that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoy on my new content of video, snowstorm. And if you are new to my channel, you can like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell for more updates on my video. Thank you! Ingat-ingat po and advance Merry Christmas!